We have got very, very stony soil on our land, as you can see by the stuff I've been digging up. Now, we're just in the process of building a sleep out. That will be a series of videos on its own. However, for the electric cable, we need to dig down about 600 to 700 millimeters. I dug about 300 down by hand using a pick, and it was a nightmare using this thing. But I got about halfway, but we have discovered this other wondrous way of doing things.
Safety glasses, some ear muffs are a must. We've got a water blaster, and we've got my $67 multivac. I think they're about 80 bucks now from Bunnings. We've had to actually cut trenches and stuff across our driveway before, and it's just miserable doing it with a cold chisel and a hammer, which is basically how you have to remove stones. So this is way quicker, but as you're about to see, way messier.
There we go, and then we just have to keep emptying that somewhere appropriate.
Oh, and the other thing is you've got to make sure that there's you have RCDs on everything if you're working with water and electricity outside.
What's an RCD?
Residential. That's a safety protection device. If ever you're working outside, you really should have RCDs on it.
Oh.
Yeah, we've got RCDs on our board.
On our board, okay.
But a lot of places don't.
So yeah, it's basically just a case of, can you stop doing that, Aston? Blasting away all the stones and everything with the water blaster and sucking it up with the multivac, and it'll suck up, well, whatever stones can fit through it, and the bigger stones you still need to dig up yourself, but
Normally they get stuck here, and that's why I kept stopping, picking them up and throwing them away, because if you get stuck in the end, you just pick them up and throw them away.
yeah. And also it's a handy way of getting around the likes of our septic tank things as well without having to chisel away around them, because of course the last thing we want to do is break them. So here we go, we're getting there. Look at the mess we've made. Look at the state of you, Aston. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Just look
at
at
that.
the pipe thing. Don't the sewage pipe
That's to go a little bit deeper yet, that end.
It does, but it's looking stunning. And that is so much less effort than taking to that with a shovel and pick.
No, you did right.
I mean, you know, the state of us is something special. However, the grubby squad, look at those glasses. See your hands.
Big help. Big hands, show hands.
I can tell by the hands as to who was the biggest help.
I washed my hands.
Ah, Sam just washed them. Boom.
Yeah, me too. I didn't.
But there we go. We dug a moat.